Shenzhen Carku Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a high-tech enterprises specializing in R&D and sales of lithium battery technology application products, and specialized, special, and new Little Giant enterprise. Our headquarters are located in Shenzhen, with convenient transportation access. In addition, we have a 51,552 square meter associated Carku production base in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, bringing together a high-quality supply chain to provide us with support and service for our production. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. As the profession lithium battery application solution provider, Carku adheres to the principle of quality, innovation, and service, and applies lithium technology, innovative functions, and excellent user experience to provide smart energy for users to live a better life. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates and FCC, UL, CE, ROS, MSDS, PSE, SGS, UN 38.3 Certificate of Authority. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, South America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.